Hello students, I myself Professor Y.T. Shinde, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Maharaja Jivajirao Shinde Mahavidyalaya, Srigonda, District, Ahmednagar. Today, I delivered a lecture on SYBSc syllabus, SYBSc Choice Based Credit System syllabus. This college is affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune, and the syllabus is to be implemented from academic year 220 to 221. Today we will discuss on the family or study of families, unit number 3rd, family number 7, apetally family, family Nyctegenaceae. Family Nyctegenaceae is commonly known as 4-o'clock plant. 4-o'clock plant is the name of genus Mirabilis jalapa, gulmus, pinkish colored flowers of Mirabilis jalapa. Distribution of the family. In the world, 34 genera and 450 species are present all over the world, or this plant is or this family is worldwide in distribution. In India, 6 genera and 40 species are present, distributed all the states of, near about all the states of India. Then systematic position, that is kingdom, subkingdom, division, subdivision, class, subclass, unit name of the unit and region of the systematic positions unit. Kingdom plantish, what is made of cellulose or chlorophyll present. Division phanerogames, flowering and seed bearing plants. Subdivision angiosperms, flowering plants, seeds or ovary is enclosed within the ovary. Ovules are enclosed in the ovary and seeds are present in the fruit. Class dicotyledons, stem branched, seeds with reticulate emission, taproot system, flower tetra or pentamerous, reticulate finition of the leaf, seeds with 2 cotyledons. Then subclass Metachlamydia or Achlamydia, that is flower Metachlamydus, calycial corolla distinct into petaloid structure called perianth. Perianth is uniseriate. Then series curvemary, embryo curved, stamens as many as perianth lobes. That is, individual part of the perianth is called tepals, individual part of the calyx is called a sepal, individual part of the corolla is called petals, individual part of the androecium is called stamens, and individual part of the gynoecium is called carpel. In this family, perianth is present, that is apetally family. Family Nyctegenaceae, involucre of separate bract is present, which is enough to form brightly pinkish colored papery structure called petaloid bract. Fruit one seeded and akin, presence of anthocarp or fruit is anthocarpic, basal placentation of the ovule. Then silent features of the family. In the silent features, there is morphological characters, and in the morphological characters, there are vegetative and floral characters. In vegetative characters, habit, root, stem and leaf. First, habit. Plant is herbs, shrubs or woody climbers, or some plants are pysodia plants are climbers. Stem aerial, erect, branched, herbaceous or woody, cylindrical with nodes and internodes. Root, branched taproot system is present. Leaf is simple, alternate or opposite. Leaves with pair of equal or unequal. Margin entire, apex acute, reticulate venation, and leaf is extupulate, that is small leaf-like outgrowth is absent at the base of the leaf or petiole of the leaf. These are vegetative characters, that is habit, root, stem, leaf. Then floral characters. First, inflorescence. Inflorescence usually or generally cymose, biparous cyme with tendency to monochocial development. Bougainvillea respectively shows colored bracts with 3 flowers. It looks like 3 flowers, but bract is pinkish color bract is single, dark pink color bract is single, and there is a 3 flowers, and flowers are monochial. Flower, the next category flower bracteate, involucral bracts present, flower bisexual, actinomorphic, complete, colored by bracts. Bract, function of the bract is attraction of the insects for pollination. Then perianth, inward part of the perianth is called tepals, that is tepals are 5, uniseriate with spreading lobes, petaloid, tepals are infundibuliform, twisted, connate at the base or connate at the funnel shaped structure or tubular perigone. Tubular perigone means at the base of perianth, lobes are fused together, and at the maturity these lobes are attached or adnate to the fruit, and these types of fruit, hence these types of fruit is called anthocarpic fruit. Then androecium, stamens 2 to many. In Bogolius speculum stamens are 8 to 9, but generally stamens are 2 to many, free, that is polyandrous, filaments are long, dorsifixed or basifixed, anthers, stamens are present or attached on the tepals, that is stamens are epiphilous and perianth is gamophilous. Then gynoecium, ori monocarpellary superior unilocular, ori monocarpellary superior unilocular with single basal ovule, style long, stigma filiform, style long, filiform, stigma capitate, nectar secreting disc is present at the base of the flower. Then fruit, fruit, dry one-seeded anthocarpic fruit, that is called akin types of fruit, surrounded by persistent perianth, hence the fruit is called anthocarpic fruit. Then seed, seed is small, non-endospermic, ovule capillotropous, and pollination by entomophilous, because bract is colored and that bract is attracted by insects for pollination. Then floral formula of the plant or floral formula of the family. Floral formula shows flower bracteate, actinomorphic, bisexual, perianth 5, gamophilous, androecium 5 or 2 to 20, unequally length, dorsifixed or basifixed, anthers are attached on the perianth lobe, that is anthers are gamophilous or stamens are gamophilous, ori monocarpellary superior with basal placentation, and fruit is akin type, anthocarpic fruit, akin type, indehiscent. Then distinguishing characters of the family. Distinguishing characters of the family. There are 5 examples of families commonly found in our region. Mirabilis jalapa, that is Gulmus 4 o'clock plant, Borrowea diffusa, Borrowea repens, Bougainvillea spectabilis, Pisonia aculeata. Pisonia aculeata is a large climber armed with recurvous axillary spines. Pisonia are large climbers armed with recurved spines with axillary spines. First, Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa is also called a 4 o'clock plant. Flowers are pinkish in color, fruits are black in color and anthocarpic. The roots are purgative. This plant is cultivated in the garden for ornamentation. The flowers are used as garlands to God Ganesh. In the season of month Bhadrapad, Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganesh Jayanti. The leaves lessen inflammation, or the leaves are used as to cure boils and inflammation. Then Borrowea diffusa Punarnava. Borrowea diffusa Punarnava. Third plant, Borrowea diffusa Punarnava. Root is laxative and used in asthma, anemia, jaundice and diabetic patients and deficiency of proteins. The plant is ornamental and it is antidote of snake bite, that is venom, that is snake antidote venom. Then Bougainvillea spectabilis. This plant is woody climber, cultivated in the garden for ornamentation, and this plant for attractive flowers, not flowers but attractive bract, red color bract. This plant is cultivated, hedge plant in the garden. Then Borrelia diffusa, then Borrelia repens. This is the second species of Borrelia. The plant is diuretic and it is a common weed in garden. Then fifth plant, Pisonia aculeata. This is a large climber armed with recurved axillary spines. These are 5 economic important plants or common examples of family Nyctigenaceae. In our syllabus, 3 families are Polypetalae, 3 families are Gamopetalae, and only 1 family is the Apetalae or Monoclamidae. The class dicot, subclass Monoclamidae, series Curvemri, but in this classification order is absent. That is series Curvemri, embryo curved and direct family, then genus, then species. There is species is a small group, kingdom is a large group. This is the systematic position of the family. Then distribution of the family. There are at about in the world 34 genera and 450 species, and in India 6 genera and 30 species. So 14 species distributed all over India and 34 genera distributed all over the world or in the world. This is the 7th family of Apetalae family. Then 8th family, only 1 monocot family, family Amarnidaceae. Next video lecture, we will learn family Amarnidaceae. And this is only 1 monocot family. This video lecture is only for educational purpose for SY basic student. Thank you.